Sarah's new job.
Did you hear about Sarah's new job?
Yeah, she finally gave in and accepted the offer from that tech company.
It's about time. She'd been hesitant for months.
I know, but I think she was waiting for the right opportunity.
True, sometimes you just have to relent and go for it.
Exactly. She's going to learn a lot there.
I hope so. She seemed stressed about finding the right fit.
Well, she's always been thorough in her decisions.
That's for sure. Remember when she gave in and bought that car after months of research?
Oh, yeah. She wouldn't stop comparing models.
I think she enjoys the process of weighing options.
It pays off, though. She's usually happy with her choices in the end.
Gala outfit plans.
So, are you excited about the charity gala next weekend?
Definitely. I love any excuse to dress up, and this event sounds fantastic. Have you decided what you're going to wear?
I'm thinking about wearing that black suit I bought last year. It's been hanging in my closet waiting for an occasion like this.
That sounds perfect for a gala. I picked out a navy blue gown. It's a bit more formal than what I usually wear, but it's nice to go all out sometimes.
Absolutely. It's not every day we get to wear something really fancy. Plus, it's for a good cause, so that makes it even better.
Right? The funds go to local art programs, right? It's great to support the community and have a fun evening out.
Exactly, it's a win-win. Looking forward to seeing everyone all dressed up and enjoying the night.
Me too. It'll be a night to remember for sure.
Tomato dislike.
Hello. I've noticed that you always avoid eating tomatoes in your food. Is it something you dislike?
Yes, you're spot on. I seriously can't stand tomatoes. The taste is too strong for me. It tends to alter the flavor of dishes and is a bit mushy. Do you have any dislikes?
Interesting. As for me, I have an immense dislike for heights. Even considering the thought of looking over a high-rise balcony, or participating in any sports involving heights such as ziplining or bungee jumping makes me nauseous.
Heights, huh? That's quite a common fear. Have you ever tried to overcome it?
A few times, yes. I've tried indoor climbing and even took a helicopter tour once. The fear, though, is still strong.
You've made brave attempts. And that's what matters. We all have dislikes. After all, they make us unique. Don't they?
Absolutely. Individual dislikes indeed add to our uniqueness.
Fear of heights.
Hey, are you headed out already?
Yeah, I'm just wrapping up for the day. How about you?
Same here. I just need to finish up a few things and I'll be on my way.
Cool, I'll wait for you then. We can head out together.
Sure thing. So, how was your day today?
It was good, thanks. Just the usual hustle and bustle of the office. How about you?
Same here. But I'm ready for the weekend. What are your plans?
Not much, just going to relax and catch up on some rest. How about you?
I'm going to do the same. It's been a long week and I need to recharge.
Definitely. So, let's get out of here and enjoy the weekend.
Sounds good to me. Have a great weekend.
You too. See you on Monday.
Office goodbye.
Hey, did you finish cleaning out the kitchen cabinets?
Yeah, I just wrapped up. You wouldn't believe how many expired spices and old cans I found.
Oh, were any of them still good?
A few were, but most had to be thrown away. Some spices lost their smell completely.
It's good to declutter, though. Did you find anything interesting?
Actually, yes. I found that set of vintage cookie cutters. We thought we'd lost.
Really? That's great. We should use them the next time we bake.
Definitely. I made sure not to throw those away. I've set them aside for our next baking day.
Perfect. It's funny how cleaning up can turn into a treasure hunt.
True, it's a bit of work, but the rewards like these make it worthwhile.
For sure. Let's keep those cookie cutters in an easily accessible spot, so we don't lose them again.
Agreed. No more throwing away hidden treasures by accident.
Weekend plans.
Did you notice the new neighbor nosing around the community garden yesterday?
Yeah, I saw that. Seemed like they were really interested in what everyone was planting.
I guess they're just curious. But I hope they don't start poking around too much in people's stuff.
True, but maybe they're just looking to make friends or find out more about gardening. We could invite them to join the garden committee.
That's a good idea. It would be a better way for them to get involved without feeling like they have to nose around on their own.
Exactly. Plus, it's always nice to have an extra pair of hands. I'll talk to them the next time I see them outside.
Sounds good. It's important to keep everyone feeling welcome, even if their approach is a bit intrusive initially.
Absolutely. Making them feel part of the community might just be what they need.
Kitchen treasure hunt.
I've been trying to get into a better routine lately. How often do you work out?
I usually hit the gym about 4 times a week. It helps me clear my head and stay energized.
That's impressive. I'm aiming for 3 times a week myself. But sometimes it's hard to stay consistent.
It can be tough, especially with a busy schedule. What kind of workouts are you doing?
Mostly cardio and some strength training. I'm thinking of trying some classes too. Maybe yoga or spin.
Classes can be a great way to mix things up. I love spin classes. They're a fantastic workout and a lot of fun.
I've heard good things about spin. It sounds intense but rewarding.
Definitely. Let me know if you want to try it out together sometime. It could be more motivating.
That sounds like a good idea. It's always easier to work out with a buddy. Let's set a date for next week.
Great. I'll look up the class schedule and text you the details.
Community and travel chat.
Hey, when it comes to traveling, do you prefer to plan your trips in advance or go with the flow?
That's a great question. Personally, I enjoy a mix of both. I like to have a general outline and keep bookings in place, but I also leave room for spontaneity and flexibility.
That sounds like a balanced approach. Could you share why you find it beneficial to plan some aspects ahead of time?
Planning in advance helps me secure important reservations like flights and accommodations, especially during peak seasons. It also allows me to research and prioritize the must-see attractions or activities, ensuring I don't miss out on anything I really want to experience.
I see the advantages. What about the go with the flow aspect? How does that enhance your travel experiences?
Going with the flow allows me to be open to unexpected opportunities and discoveries. It gives me the freedom to explore off the beaten path places, interact with locals, and immerse myself in the local culture. It's often in those spontaneous moments that I've had some of my most memorable travel experiences.
That's fascinating. Have you ever had any surprising or unexpected encounters during your trips?
Absolutely. From stumbling upon vibrant festivals to striking up conversations with locals that led to hidden gems, those spontaneous moments have added depth and richness to my journeys.
It sounds like a perfect balance between planning and embracing the unknown. I'll definitely consider incorporating more flexibility into my travel plans. Thanks for sharing your perspective.
You're welcome. Finding the right balance between planning and spontaneity can make each trip unique and exciting. Happy travels, and may you have unforgettable experiences along the way.